Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an adorable bear doll using a simple method. First, gather your materials. You will need about 1/2 yard of soft fabric like fleece or felt, a sewing machine, thread, scissors, and a hand needle. Don't forget your stuffing material, safety eyes, and some embroidery floss for those cute facial details. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have your materials, let's start with the bear's body. Begin by printing and carefully cutting out your chosen bear doll pattern pieces from paper. Next, pin these paper patterns onto your soft fabric, ensuring you cut 2 identical main body shapes. Use your sewing machine to stitch the 2 fabric pieces together, remembering to leave a small, unsewn opening of about 2 inches along one edge. This opening is crucial for stuffing your bear. With the body sewn, it's time to bring your bear to life with stuffing. Gently fill the bear doll body with your chosen stuffing material, ensuring it's evenly distributed and firm, but not overly rigid. Once stuffed, use a hand needle and thread to carefully close the opening with a ladder stitch. This creates a nearly invisible seam. Finally, attach the safety eyes securely and use embroidery floss to stitch a sweet nose and mouth, giving your bear its unique expression. Congratulations, you've made your very own adorable bear doll. Take a moment to ensure all seams are secure and the stuffing is perfectly distributed throughout the body. If you wish, personalize your bear further by adding a small ribbon around its neck or perhaps a tiny handmade vest. This simple method allows anyone to create a cherished, soft companion. Your new, handmade bear is now ready to be loved and enjoyed for many years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.